Next, we're going to move into a spinal warming sequence. This is very important because the spine is really the health of the entire body. Everything is connected through the spine, through the nervous system. And as we open the spine, we open the biggest channels of energy in our energetic body. And of course, the spinal channel and column is connected to the brain. So we're bringing health to the nervous system and to the mind. The first one we're going to do is bringing the feet a little bit wider now, about shoulder width apart. We put a gentle bend in the knees and we do a spinal twist. We lead with the head, looking over each shoulder. Let the arms be completely relaxed. Let them move freely. As you look over each shoulder, that leads the twist. Make sure that the knees remain a little bent to protect the knees. Then we close the eyes. We connect to that deep rhythmic breath flowing. And you bring your mind and your breath into your spine. Wherever your mind goes, the energy flows. So focus the mind in the spine and send your breath and energy into that spine, opening the biggest channel in the body. And we do 50 times, one to each side. Only takes a few seconds. But this is an excellent movement. If you only have a minute to do something in the morning, this is the one I recommend because it massages the entire spine, gets the energy flowing, and even wakes up the mind. So you don't have to do an hour practice, even a half hour. You can do something in a few minutes that wakes you up for the day. Get your day started off right. Staying with the breath. And it's good to close the eyes to bring the awareness to the internal practice, the internal aspect of feeling and perceiving what's happening inside. Really, our yoga practice is a journey to this internal awareness. And as you do your practice, you watch your thoughts. It's very easy for your mind to drift into the past or into the future. The science of yoga is about bringing the mind into the present moment. So each time your mind starts to drift, it's not a problem. You just be aware of it and bring your mind gently back to the breath, back to the practice. And if you continue to do this with awareness, your mind, with practice and patience, does begin to slow down. And this is the real practice of yoga, bringing the mind into the present moment. Okay. Slowly come back to the center. Gently unwind. I'll take a deep, relaxing breath. Good. Now, we're going to go through some movements that I have found very effective. I had very serious back pain, and these are the movements that help me. If you're in an acute situation and you have back pain, this may not be the right movement for you, but this is also prevention. This can help you to stop going into pain by keeping the back nice and strong and flexible. So the next one we're going to do is bringing the hands about to the navel like you're holding a big beach ball. We want to focus on moving from the mid-back, which is the part of the spine that is the least flexible. So this movement helps to open that mid-back. We rotate to the side, then up, and a gentle back bend, and you're focused on moving from the middle of the back to the other side, down a little bit, bending forward from the mid-back, and we'll do 7 times each direction. So it's up to the side, turning to the side, and then bending from the mid-back down a bit. This is 3. Stay with that breath. You can inhale to the side and up, exhaling to the side and down. 4. Arms are like they're holding a big beach ball. The hands are relaxed. 5. And you can feel that right in the mid-back. It's an excellent movement to help open that part of the spine, which usually is not touched upon in our practice very often. Now let's change the direction with the breath. Inhaling to the side and up. Exhaling to the other side and down. Moving from your mid-back. Bring your awareness there as you move and breathe. Nice and slow. And we'll do one more. You can even feel that massage in the mid-back quite easily. We'll come back to the center with our relaxing breath. can feel that energy flowing through the spine perhaps. Now we're going to move to a different flowing movement by bringing the arms up, and the first two fingers are pointing towards each other. The elbows are slightly bent. When we lock the elbows and create tension in the arms, that stops the flow of energy. So everything is soft and fluid. Now we're going to exhale to the side, and as we do that, we exhale in stages. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you exhale, then stop when you stop the movement. Same for the inhale. Inhale, stop inhaling. Inhale, stop inhaling. Inhale, stop inhaling. Inhale, stop. Now let's do it together. 4, let's do 4. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. One more, inhaling. Now we change the direction, exhaling. One more. Now we flow without stopping the breath. Inhale to the side and up. Exhale to the other side and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do one more. We come to the bottom, we change the direction with the breath. Inhaling to the side and up. Exhaling to the side and down. Hands are mostly relaxed, little bend in the elbows. Legs are mostly straight. Moving from the waist and the lower back. We have a gentle back bend at the top. And flow with the breath. Keep the eyes on the fingers as you do this movement. One more. And come up slowly. Relaxing breath. Good. Now my favorite movement, it's like drawing a figure 8 or the infinity sign. Let's bring the palms together, hands to the sides. We bend the knees a little bit, and we bring the arms across and up outside the shoulder. Then we bend the knees. We're drawing a figure 8 with the hands, and this helps to massage the spine, getting it moving in all the different directions. So it's down to the center, then up over the shoulder, down, bending the knees to the center, up and over the shoulder. Good. Now move with the breath. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. And you rotate as far as you can to the side, even behind you a little bit. Exhaling down, inhaling up. Exhaling down, bend those knees. And you're really getting a good massage throughout the spine. Exhaling down, inhaling up. Exhaling down, inhale up. Bend the knees as you exhale down and inhale, straighten the legs up. Now we're going to change the direction. So you inhale to the side and up, and then you exhale. You come up the side, inhale, and you exhale down. Inhale up. You can feel that nice massage in the spine. Try to go behind you, twisting to the side as much as you can each time. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, and exhaling down. Good, last one. And exhale. Good, come back to standing, inhale. Exhale, relax. Let's close the eyes for a moment and feel that spine. Maybe you feel the vibrations or the energy flowing through the central channel. Breath is relaxed. Body and face calm and relaxed. Okay. Now we're going to finish this warm-up sequence with what we call bouncing or shaking. And this is a very effective way to massage the joints, the connective tissue, the muscles, and even the organs. There's two ways to do it. One is keeping the heels down and just bouncing. You inhale through the nose and let the breath just fall out through the mouth. So you're bouncing or shaking out the tension too. And it's a detoxification. You're sending the toxins out through the feet and you're getting rid of the stress and toxins in the body, shaking it out, coming to a place of relaxation. It also gets the energy flowing quite nicely. Usually we can do this 1 to 3 minutes. Today we'll just do it for about a minute. That's the first way to do it, keeping the heels down. The more powerful way to do it is keep the heels lifting up each time and impacting when you bounce. And this really has a vibration in the body. In the beginning, your calf muscles might be getting a little bit tired because you're new to this, but after a couple of days of practice, there's no problem with the calf muscles getting tired and they get a bit stronger. So remember, it's inhale through the nose and let the breath fall out through the mouth. So you really want to hit those feet down so the knees aren't bending too much. It's really about the impact on the floor. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. Let the head hang forward a little bit, release the neck. And very slowly come back to stillness. Deep, relaxing breath. And close the eyes and feel that vibration. This exercise really helps to get the energy moving, and it makes it easier to feel that inner vibration. Breath is flowing.